Welcome to Huawei News Channel. Huawei Mate 20 Lite started to receive Emui12 Beta. Huawei has started rolling out the Emui12 Beta update for the Huawei Mate 20 Lite smartphone, which comes with version 12.0.0.221. Last week, Huawei confirmed Emui12 compatibility for the respective smartphone and simultaneously started beta testing in the global market. Huawei Mate 20 Lite Lite EMUI 12.0.0.221 beta update is available for registered users who signed up for the Emui12 beta event via the Emui12 beta app. According to the information, this beta update has a software package size of 3.99 GB. How to update? Go to Settings, tap System and Updates, then Software Updates and check for updates. Continue downloading and installing after marking the update presence. The update can also be downloaded via the My Huawei app. Open the My Huawei app on the smartphone. Visit the update section and follow the on-screen instructions to download and install the update. If you like the video, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to channel. Thanks for watching. Welcome to Huawei News Channel.